Good evening to one and all. Myself, Dr. Manoj Mate. I am working as an assistant professor at Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. First of all, let me take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to my beloved friend, Mr. Yogesh Nagargoje sir, for inviting me. Labtech Innovations, which is a really wonderful opportunity for the student, as we know that we are living in the 21st century, and the student need to get familiar about the digital technology so that they can upskill and upgrade themselves for upcoming generation, and they can utilize this digital knowledge for getting good numbers in the examination. I really appreciate the hospitality as well as the various platform it will be available for the students, and I wish you all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you very much.